Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Today I want to teach you how to make Popeyes chicken sandwich with simple ingredients that we always have. So stay tuned with Where is my knife?
Oh, nice. Look at that soft chicken we have there. Let's remove all of the fat from the chicken breast. Now let's chop this beautiful chicken breast. Okay, let's chop them into two parts again. And after that, let's cut them into 4 equal parts. Ladies and gentlemen, please pay attention. We need a cup of buttermilk. We need cayenne pepper, garlic powder, oregano, salt, and pickle juice to mix together. This is a very important technique, so listen up. If you want it to taste better, add some smoke powder, but this is a secret between us. Don't tell anyone else. Now let's mix the chicken with the marinade so all of the spices touch the soft skin of the chicken. Now let's put them aside for 3 hours. Or we can also let it stay for 1 entire day to taste better. Meanwhile, let's make a mysterious sauce. We need a cup of mayonnaise, a spoon of spicy sauce, sour lemon juice, paprika, oregano, a pinch of salt, and mix, and voila! Hello, dear cameraman! For vinegar, we need a big bowl, 2 large cups of white powder, 1 cup of cornstarch, and spices such as garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, and salt as always. Then we mix, and mix. For it to look more like flakes, we can add some marinade to it. so the chicken looks better when we fry it. Now let's mix the chicken with the flour and make it ready to fry. If we want to know that the oil is hot enough, we can sprinkle a bit of flour in it. And then let's add the chickens one by one and fry both sides for 6 minutes until they turn crispy golden brown. Rub the butter on the bread and then toast them. Now add sauce, pickles, and chicken as much as possible. Oh my, look at that. Be careful for them not to fall.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'll catch you all next time.